Technology is changing our world very fast, you see. The year 2025 is proving to be a landmark year for many new advancements. It is truly important for all of us, whether individuals or businesses, to understand these trends. Technology is no longer just a tool, it has become a deep part of our daily lives. New systems and amazing gadgets are coming up all the time. This means we must all keep learning. We need to adapt to these new things to make the most of them in our work and personal spheres. These new tech trends are often connected with each other, which is quite interesting. For instance, progress in artificial intelligence, what we call AI, helps to power many other new technologies. So these are not just separate inventions happening on their own. They actually build on top of one another, creating a strong, combined effect. You can think of it like a domino effect, where one good idea leads to many more. This close connection is what makes the speed of technological change so rapid these days, and it's quite exciting to witness. The impact of these new technologies is being felt in almost every industry. We are seeing big changes in healthcare, how money is managed in finance, the entertainment we enjoy, and how things are made in manufacturing. Really, no area is left untouched by this wave of innovation and change. Businesses across India and the world are discovering new ways to do their work. They are also finding better ways to serve their customers using these tools. For us as individuals, these changes affect how we work, how we learn new skills, and even how we relax and play. This essay will now look closely at some of the most important tech trends of 2025. We will explore what these technologies actually are, in simple terms. We will also understand how they are being used in the real world already. Knowing about these trends helps us to get ready for the future that is unfolding. It is a future that is coming towards us very quickly indeed. This future brings with it many wonderful opportunities, but it also brings some new challenges that we must think about carefully. Agentic AI is a very exciting new development in the field of artificial intelligence. These are AI systems that can do tasks all by themselves without needing constant human guidance. Think about self-driving cars that navigate roads on their own. Or imagine very smart virtual assistants that can manage your schedule and even make decisions for you. These AI agents can understand the world around them. They can make choices and learn from their experiences to get better over time. This is a big step forward from older AI, which mostly followed fixed instructions. The applications and benefits of agentic AI are truly vast. One major advantage is the reduction in manual work that humans have to do. This means people can focus on more creative and strategic tasks. Agentic AI can also lead to much faster decision-making in businesses. For example, in a company, these AI agents could automate complicated processes. They could manage supply chains or even help with customer service. At home, they might help manage energy use or assist with online shopping, making daily life a bit easier for everyone. The market for agentic AI is growing very quickly, which is a clear sign of its importance. Top technology analysts like Gartner have named it as the #1 tech trend for 2025. Experts predict that the market for agentic AI could be worth as much as $150 billion by the year 2033. This huge number shows that there is strong confidence in the future of this technology. Many leading companies are already investing a lot of money. They are developing and testing these intelligent systems for various uses across different sectors. We are already seeing some real-world examples of agentic AI making a difference. For instance, some companies are using AI agents to match job candidates with suitable roles much more effectively. This has led to significantly better hiring outcomes for them. In logistics, AI agents can optimize delivery routes in real time, saving fuel and time. Even in scientific research, these agents can help analyze large amounts of data to find new discoveries. These examples show that agentic AI is not just a future dream, it is starting to deliver real benefits today itself. Generative AI is another truly remarkable technology that is making waves. It has the amazing ability to create completely new content. This content can be text, like articles or poems. It can be images, audio, and even complex simulations for training or research. Generative AI is helping to boost productivity in many jobs. It also supports problem-solving in new ways, and allows for much more engaging customer interactions. For creative professionals, it offers a powerful new tool to explore fresh ideas and designs, which is quite revolutionary. It learns from a vast ocean of data to produce these novel outputs. The economic impact of generative AI is expected to be very large indeed. We have seen venture capital investment in this area nearly double to $45 billion in 2024 alone. Some studies suggest that generative AI could add trillions of dollars, something like 2.6 to 4.4 trillion to the global economy every year. This shows the immense financial belief in its transformative power. Businesses everywhere are very keen to use generative AI. They want to improve their products, create better services, and streamline their operations. Many new startup companies are also emerging, focusing entirely on innovative generative AI applications. Now let us turn to quantum computing, which is a completely different kind of computing. It promises to process information much faster than even the best classical computers we have today, especially for certain types of complex problems. This technology has exciting applications in areas like cryptography, which is about keeping information secure. It can also be used for discovering new medicines and materials much faster. Imagine a computer that can solve problems in just a few minutes. These are problems that would take our current supercomputers many thousands or even millions of years to figure out. That is the incredible potential of quantum computing. We are seeing significant progress in building these quantum computers. For example, Alphabet has developed a quantum processor with 105 qubits, which is a measure of quantum computing power. This development is moving us towards what experts call the post-quantum era. In this era, quantum computers might become powerful enough to break the encryption methods we use today to protect our data. Because of this, scientists are also working hard on post-quantum cryptography, or PQC. This means developing new security methods that can resist attacks from future quantum computers, ensuring our digital information remains safe. Spatial computing is a fascinating technology that is all about merging our physical world with digital information. It works by integrating various technologies like virtual reality or VR, augmented reality or AR, artificial intelligence or AI, and the Internet of Things or IoT. Imagine a world where digital elements are not confined to your phone or computer screen. Instead, they can appear and interact within the space around you. This allows for much more natural and intuitive ways to use technology. It is like making your computer truly understand and engage with the three-dimensional world we live in, creating very immersive experiences. The applications and benefits of spatial computing are quite diverse and very promising. This technology can greatly enhance productivity in many fields. It can also create incredibly immersive experiences for learning, entertainment, and collaboration. A well-known example is Apple's Vision Pro headset, which allows users to interact with digital content in their environment. Think of architects being able to walk through a detailed three-dimensional model of a building before it is even constructed. Or consider surgeons practicing complex operations in a highly realistic virtual setting. These are the kinds of powerful experiences that spatial computing can enable for us. The market for spatial computing is predicted to grow enormously in the coming years. Some market analysts estimate that it could reach nearly $950 billion by the year 2033. This huge figure clearly indicates the immense potential that businesses and investors see in this advanced field. It is important to understand that spatial computing is not just for video games or entertainment, though it enhances those areas too. Many different industries, from manufacturing and engineering to retail and healthcare, are actively exploring how spatial computing can fundamentally transform their operations and create new value. In conclusion, the tech trends of 2025, including agentic AI, generative AI, quantum computing, and spatial computing, are set to reshape our world in profound ways. They offer incredible opportunities for innovation, efficiency, and new experiences. The future driven by these technologies will be full of amazing advancements that can benefit us all. However, as we embrace these powerful tools, it is also very important to think about responsible development. We must consider aspects like AI governance, data security, and ethical implications. This will ensure that these technologies are used wisely for the greater good of society in India and across the globe.